Stop customer comebacks with the Bendix General CT brake pad and disc brake rotor bundle. Mix and matching pads and disc brake rotors between brands can compromise quality. Bendix General CT is the most tested combo on the market to provide your customers with the perfect everyday braking solution. Using our state-of-the-art in-house testing facilities and the only fleet of testing vehicles in the market today, Bendix General CT pads and disc brake rotors are engineered to match perfectly with one another to maximise quality while minimising cost. For your customers, this means low dust, low noise, longevity and confidence-inspiring everyday braking performance. For you, this means satisfied customers with no comebacks at a good price point. Bendix General CT disc brake rotors utilise high-quality metallurgy to provide added longevity and value with improved heat dissipation for reduced brake fade. Bendix General CT brake pads utilise Stealth Advanced technology and ceramic technology for quiet braking, smooth operation, low dust, low rotor wear and improved stopping performance. Paired together, they make the perfect everyday braking package. Ask your local parts retailer for Bendix General CT today. Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.